Solve the equation involving two quadratic forms with different variables. X squared minus 4x plus 6 times 9y squared plus 6y plus 6 equals 10. X, y are in the set of real numbers. This video contains the following sections: reading the problem carefully and understanding it, developing a plan to solve it, solving the problem, thinking about it further, and try to apply the approach to other problems. Near the end of the video, there's an additional question which can be solved using a similar approach to that used for solving a specific problem. If you find these helpful, please subscribe to the channel for notification of new videos by pressing the video watermark in the right-hand corner of the video player. The equation involves two quadratic forms with different variables. The product of the two quadratic forms equals 10. X and y are in the set of real numbers. Since 10 can be written as a times b, for example, 10 equals 2 times 5 equals 5 times 2 equals 1 times 10 equals 10 times 1, and so on. So we can let x squared minus 4x plus 6 equal a, and 9y squared plus 6y plus 6 equal b. Then solve these equations. However, there may be too many possibilities in terms of writing 10 as a product of two real numbers. We'll rearrange the equation and use the following rule to solve the equation. If m squared plus n squared equals 0, then m equals n equals 0. Because x squared minus 4x plus 6 can be written as x squared minus 4x plus 4 plus 2. So we can write x squared minus 4x plus 6 as x minus 2 all squared plus 2 by completing the square. Similarly, we can write 9y squared plus 6y plus 6 equals 9y squared plus 6y plus 1 plus 5 equals 3y plus 1 all squared plus 5. So x squared minus 4x plus 6 times 9y squared plus 6y plus 6 equals 10. can be written as x minus 2 all squared plus 2 times 3y plus 1 all squared plus 5 equals 10. Let x minus 2 equal a and 3y plus 1 equal b. We then have a squared plus 2 times b squared plus 5 equals 10, which means a squared b squared plus 5a squared plus 2b squared plus 10 equals 10. Simplifying, we have a squared b squared plus 5a squared plus 2b squared equals 0. So a squared equals 0. B squared equals 0. From a squared equals 0, we know that a equals 0, which means x minus 2 equals 0. Similarly, from b squared equals 0, we know that b equals 0. So we can write 3y plus 1 equals 0. So x equals 2, y equals minus a third. Think about the thought process for the previous question further and try to apply the approach to other problems. Such as this one. Solve the equation x squared minus xy plus y squared minus 3x plus 3 equals 0. X, y are in the set of real numbers. You can write your answers in the comments section if you like. Can you think of other problems that can be solved using a similar approach? Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. See you next time.